So I'm being timed right here, so this way fast. So these are my variables in my program here under the video for my quadratic solve equation, and these you see A, B, and C, and I do dim x1, x2, and status. Those are variables, means I can change them as I will. So this is an event. When button calculate gets clicked, I call this function check status, and I have to put focus on this button. And so we get check status, and is numeric. This basically tests if it's numeric or not. If it's a number. If it's not, it's invalid. Otherwise, I test the discriminant, see if it's real or imaginary, and if it's real, then it I also test to see if it comes out to be factorable and unfactorable, like, depending on whether it's integer or not, by using modulo, which divides this number by this number and returns the remainder. So it should be 0 to be an integer. Um, and so these call their respective it calls these procedures, these and so it just jumps down to a line of code here, these functions you see, and so check out factorable. See, it just does the quadratic equation here. So mix that into that, yada yada. You know this drill. And then update score basically just just puts the data out onto into the UI for the user to see. And unfactorable is a lot more complicated. And so the status is real and unfactorable. Then yada yada. That's a safety net basically, just in case. And so we have another mod 1 test to see if the square root is perfect square. And this is, I don't know why I did this, it's just to make sure it's, not factorable. And here we have, it comes out to be, it calculates all this stuff, and the fraction bar here, and string 2 times A. So that comes out like, I'm not gonna say, whatever. I can't think of anything right now. But, we have update score, and then down here, otherwise I see if I can, divide the negative b by the 2 times a, and if I can, I say, string this times, and 1 over string as a, and then radical this, and parentheses. And the same thing with the minus 1. And and down here, this is for otherwise, and it just takes this and does that. Right? You get it? I hope so. And update score, and then I'll move on to imaginary. So these are the big guns in logic here. So first of all, does the user want to get their imaginary solutions? Because not everyone does need them. So I have a little checkbox, CHK stands for checkbox, and so that's what this does. And this is for like standard. This can be divided by that, just like the other one, and it does this and everything. And so we have, and then down here, this is otherwise. It does this is absolute value. You notice absolute value is important because otherwise it would come out as negative, and my computer would freak out. And obviously if they don't want imaginary solutions, they can say that. And this button just clears everything. It's not really important. So I'll show you what it looks like before my time runs out. Oh, I'm running out of time. So it's say 1, 1, and 4. See, there's my imaginary solutions. If I put a little negative on here, it's real, but it's still not factorable.